Thank you for taking part in McGill's Sexual Violence Awareness and Prevention Training. Ensuring that our campuses are safe, respectful, and inclusive is fundamental for our university, and this includes striving to create an environment free from sexual violence. Reaching this goal requires that each of us commit to it as part of being a member of this community. This training is required learning for each one of us, including myself. It is part of our commitment to addressing this important issue.
This is a community issue requiring a community response, whether by reevaluating our own behavior or knowing the best way to help someone in need. We all have a role to play in preventing sexual violence.
In this training, you will learn about the meaning, prevalence, and impact of sexual violence, as well as the importance of consent and how to intervene safely to prevent sexual violence. You will also learn how to support survivors who disclose their experiences.
This subject can be difficult, so please go at your own pace. Do what you need to take care of yourself. Know that the Office of Sexual Violence Response, Support, and Education is here to support you, as well as many other services that you will learn about in this training.
Thank you again for your time and for helping us ensure that our university is a safe place for all.